Hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno's cooking show. So today we are going to show you how to prepare very crispy and delicious fish fingers at home with the silverfish. So without further ado, let's start today's video. To prepare fish fingers, first and foremost we require this half kg of silverfish. Over here we prefer using silverfish. It's just because it measures up to a finger size and it's very easy to munch on once it's fried like French fries. In our local language, I mean in Tulu, we call this as bolanjir. In our mother tongue, I mean Konkani, we call this as irlio, and in English obvious we call this as silverfish. Now take a bowl. To this add 3 tablespoons of besan, and here goes the third scoop. And now to this goes 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and now to this goes 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour. The ratio of besan, corn flour and maida is like 3:2:1, so keep a note of this ratio. And now to this goes 1 teaspoon of rice flour. So over here we are adding rice flour just for the crispiness and for the crunchy bite. And now goes pinch of baking soda. Over here we are adding baking soda for light, crispier and thin outer crust. Now to this goes 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, and now here goes half teaspoon of pepper powder, and now here goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now here goes half tablespoon of salt. Before adding any other ingredients or water, mix up all the flour and spices powder nice and thoroughly. So this powder you can store it in refrigerator like an instant powder. Whenever you feel like preparing fish fingers, you can take out this powder. You can mix up the rest of the ingredients and then it directly goes into the frying oil. And now to this goes 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Here goes 2nd tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, and now to this goes 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now goes 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now drizzle some lukewarm water gradually and make a fine paste. Here we are adding lukewarm water to avoid forming the lumps. So this is a small trick what we follow to avoid forming lumps while making a marinade for any kebab or fish. So folks, if you ask me, we have added around half cup of lukewarm water, and this is the outcome of the marinade. And now it's time to add the fish. Once you are done adding the fish, mix up everything nice and evenly. As you can see over here, the masala or the marinade what we call has to stick properly to the fish, and this is how it looks. And now we are done applying the marination to the fish. Let it rest in the room temperature or refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Let all the masala get properly sucked inside the fish, and then we'll come back and we'll fry this fish. So folks, it's been an hour. The fish is peacefully resting in the marinade, and now let's give a quick shot of mix. Wow, look at this folks. It looks so heavenly, right? Once you are done mixing nice and thoroughly, place the silverfish in the breadcrumbs. Apply the breadcrumbs nice and evenly on both the sides, and now dust off the excess breadcrumbs and place it in the plate folks, like this. Wow. And now folks, once you are done applying the breadcrumbs to all of the fish, place it in the oil. So folks, once you are done adding the fish into the oil, do not put the spoon right away. Let it fry on simmer for 1 to 2 minutes and then we'll flip it up. So folks, it's been around 2 minutes and now let's flip the fish. As you can see over here, the fish has turned slight brown, and this is how you fry the fish fingers nice and perfectly. And now let's add some curry leaves. The curry leaves gives nice flavor and aroma to the fish fingers. And now let the curry leaves fry for a minute so that the fish absorb all the beautiful aroma of the curry leaves. And now let's transfer it to the plate.